Okay guys, so in previous video we talked about how to use consumer with collections, and we were just using this consumer for printing our stuffs. So we were basically passing this object, teacher object, and from that object we were fetching three of its field like name, salary and address. So the task for consumer is just to take input and print the stuffs. And you can see consumer method, that accept method, this one does not return anything. So even we are not expecting any result. Just process our input, do something and let it go. So that's what achieved here, and it was working fine. So this was the code. Now idea is, let's add one more consumer in the same example. I was planning to add some more functionality like a function like we did earlier. So here's the time. Let's add some function interface, functional interface, right? There's a function interface whose name is function. Okay, so let's do one thing. Let's write some function. Now function takes two input. If you don't know how it works, so I will attach this link somewhere at the top, there you can go back and read out what is functional interface. So first of all, it takes some input, and for now I will make it like teacher type, teacher object type, and return will be let's say kind of a their grade pay. Okay, if they have a salary, so they must have some look like what kind of composition or some kind of component where they are falls in, like grade A category, or you can say category A salary, category B salary, that kind of stuff we can do. So for that, what we can discuss, if we have this kind of scenario, let's take this out from here. Let's discuss the discussion like whole scenario, then we can start working on the coding stuff. So idea is, when we write consumer, it will just print the stuffs. So that stuff could be like teacher name, teacher's name, come on, name, address, salary. But here comes one more criteria, right? We want that grade pay as well, because we don't have that field here. So consumer also wants to print their pay grade, right? Grade A, B, C, D. So based on the same basis, we have some salary amounts. So let's say if it is above 10,000, so it's let's make it differently, like let's put in reverse order, just think it at one time. So if it is 70,000 plus, so we'll call this grade salary A. If it is 60,000 or greater than, so B. If it is greater than let's say 40, so it's category C. If it is 20,000, so it goes to D. And if it is 10,000 something, so that's the last category, and that's the lowest salary anyone can earn from here, from this school or college, whatever. Okay, so this will be done by function, right? We have done this earlier as well. Some kind of scenario was there, and we were getting student grade as per their marks. Now we have different scenario. On base of salary, we are turning their pay grade. Why we are writing function? Because we have to print teacher's name, address, salary, and the stuffs. But pay grade is not there. And how to obtain it? We can achieve it simply by using function. And one more thing, we can add predicate. Later we'll add predicate as well, but not soon. First of all, we have to implement this function thing. So predicate will check for any location which has, or maybe you can take some name, right, whose name starts with A or K or something. So filter the teacher name on the basis of name. Fine. So we will write a predicate if teacher falls into that name category, so we will print it separately. So this is the idea. In next video we will add function, and if time permits we will add predicate as well. Okay, so stay tuned guys, we have to do a lot of stuff together in the same consumer function and predicate stuff. So thanks for watching this video. Catch me in the next video. Bye.